What's up guys, and welcome back to another TK Tech video, and these are the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. Well, at least they claim to be. They cost around $30 and are from Wish. So if you've seen my older videos, you'll know that I've actually purchased the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus from Wish for around $30, £25, something like that. And obviously they were knockoffs, but they were actually quite good knockoffs in terms of the way they were packaged, the way they looked. And these are a bit more interesting because these have a bit of an atypical design. So I wanted to see how China would cope with making the knockoffs of these. So yeah, let's have a quick look at the box. I must say they do always do a really good job at making the print very, very realistic. So it pretty much has everything you would see on a traditional Samsung Galaxy Buds Live box. Even the box, the way it looks, the shape of it, the font, and everything looks pretty much the same. So if we open it up, well, before we do that, we're actually greeted with these. We never really have a look at them, but yeah, the quick start guide, we can put that to the side for now. This is the actual Galaxy Buds Live, put that aside. It also comes with what should be, a USB Type-C charger. Not very neatly packaged, I must say, but we'll forgive them. And again, not very neatly packaged, but some air tip replacements as well. So at least this comes quite nicely packaged. This is the Galaxy Buds Live, and I got it in the black version just because I thought they'd look great. Oh my god. Is it just me or is this not black? I wasn't expecting it to be so shiny. It's almost got like a lilac hue to it. Okay. You can see it just lit up again for a second there. So honestly, the packaging, the way it looks, the way it feels, its weight to it actually does feel quite similar to the actual Galaxy Buds Live. I've actually held and used the Galaxy Buds Lives, the real ones. So I do know how that works and how that feels. The actual buds themselves, they do look very, very similar to the real ones. In fact, if not exactly the same to the real ones. But as you can see, for example, like where the real ones have some additional microphones, these only have one microphone that I can tell. So up here, there should be, in the top, there should be another microphone that's not available. And I don't think these vents are real either. So let's pair it with my phone and let's see how they sound. Okay, so I've turned Bluetooth on my phone. If these were real Samsung Galaxy Buds, then when I open them, they should automatically connect and they would come up with like an animation on the screen. As you can see, it hasn't. So I'm just going to go into the settings and pair with it manually. So pairing with it isn't difficult, but once it is paired, it will automatically connect every single time you open your device. So if I close the device, it will disconnect, and then if I open it again, as you can see, it has actually automatically connected. So that's actually a really good feature, and I'm glad that it can do that. So what I'm going to do now is go into the wearables app, just out of curiosity. I highly doubt that it will work, just because these are fake, or they should be at least. But if they are fake, they won't connect. So they are Galaxy Buds Live. Well, so this is a first. They've actually come up on the application. Wait, has it worked? What? Okay, so the previous Galaxy Buds Plus did not work with the app. I couldn't get it to connect to the Samsung Galaxy app, but somehow this has actually worked. Now I don't know if they've managed to, I don't know, trick the app into connecting with the device. What I'll do though, I'll test the features. For example, I'll test an active noise cancelling. I doubt these have active noise cancelling. So even though it's managed to connect, I just want to see if any of these features actually work as well. We'll also test the equalizer, see if that makes a difference. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play this, and I'm going to see if you guys can hear any difference. So right now it should be on soft. I'm going to then put it onto bass boost. I don't know if you had any difference. Personally, I couldn't tell a difference. I don't think any of this works. I also tried the active noise cancelling. It didn't do anything. So I don't know how they've managed to make it connect to the Galaxy Buds Live app, but from what I can tell, the actual features of it don't exist, don't work. I'm guessing actual hardware of it doesn't allow the features like active noise cancelling to even work. Alright, however, I do want to mention a very notable feature that actually, similar to the Galaxy Buds Live, these do have touch controls. So the actual controls do work. So if I press it once, it does pause, and I can play it again. I must say, yeah, it's a bit hit and miss. I don't really know where to press, and yeah, sometimes it doesn't recognize the touch. But yeah, if I double press, it does skip, and if I long press, let's try it again. Yep, and that brings up your Google Assistant. So yeah, quite interesting. The fact that it's so cheap and it still managed to have that touch capacity is quite cool. However, regardless of the fact that it's a bit dodgy with the wearables application, I do just want to actually test the sound quality of it. The Galaxy Buds Plus sounded okay. They sound like any other earbuds that you would get for that price range anyway. These do get quite loud, and I guess similar to the Galaxy Buds, there's just no bass. The bass is not really there. However, it doesn't sound as tinny as I thought it would. The actual the hi-hats and stuff, they sound quite good. But yeah, I guess acceptable. You can hear what's happening. It's nothing special. Probably similar to the free earphones that you would get with your phone. But other than that, yeah, nothing that special about them. I must say though, what's annoying me now is the touch capacity. It doesn't recognize, for example, when my earbuds are in my ear or not. So actually, even when I'm just trying to take them out of my ear and put them in the case, I can end up pausing the music or skipping songs and stuff, and that's really annoying. But to be fair, one of the most interesting things about Galaxy Buds Live in general, whether it's this knockoff or not, is the shape. These are a completely new take on the design of earbuds, and the idea behind them is that they sit really comfortably in your ear, whereas they don't fall out. So for example, things like the AirPods, the original ones or the second generation, they don't have any rubber tips to them, so they also sit in your ear, but they fall out a lot. These kind of fit the shape of your ear, so even though they just sit in your ear, they don't go into your ear, they don't fall out. They're actually quite stable and they do stay in, and they are very comfortable. So the shape they've managed to get spot on. Honestly, I could honestly see myself leaving them in my ear for hours because yeah, I don't feel any discomfort, and if anything, I very, very quickly can forget that they're there. In terms of my final verdict on these products, well, one, I don't like the color. This is supposed to be black. I don't know if this is particularly just to do with the these knockoffs, if they haven't gotten the right color right. Even online, the black it's just too shiny. The bronze is too shiny. The only one I probably think would be best is the white ones. I'm not a fan of this glossiness to it. The Galaxy Buds, the original Galaxy Buds, were matte. I think those looked the best. This shiny finish that they're now doing, I'm not a fan of. Also, I just don't know why you would get knockoff Galaxy Buds in the first place. You might as well just get an actual branded earbud, something from Anchor, that costs around the same price range, but at least they're from an actual company. They have a warranty, they have support. I did have a quick test of the call quality. I couldn't show you, but I did just have a quick call, and honestly, they are much better than the Galaxy Buds Plus. The Galaxy Buds Plus, you couldn't hear anything, whereas these, the person that's listening to you can hear you. It's just very muffled. So I still wouldn't recommend them if you are planning on making any calls, but it's one step up better than the fake Galaxy Buds Plus that I got from Wish in the past. So yeah, so these are the Galaxy Buds Live. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want. Anyway guys, that's it from me, and I'll see you on the next TCAD Tech video.